Hi, welcome to Nene's Kitchen. Please come in. And in today's video, we are going to be making soup made with rotis but there's a twist. So let me walk you through what's going to happen. So we're starting off with our winter special. Shomane is going to be making the vegetable soup and my father will be making the roti dough. And then I will be grilling it instead of using a frying pan. I'll be frying it. I will be instead of frying it on a pan, I will be using my friend George here to grill the rotis. So let's begin. Over to Shamane. Greetings, people. So today I'll be making the vegetable soup or green soup, whatever you call it. We have our soup greens over here that we got for 19 rand, which is 20 rand. We'll be using additional carrots, potatoes, onions, and spice fusion for extra flavor. Let's get into it. First step, cut and peel an onion, or peel and cut an onion. Yo, that was a lot, but it's okay. Throw your onion into the pot. Peel your potatoes. Grate the potatoes. Peel your carrots. Grate your carrots. Throw your grated carrots in your pot. Peel your radishes. Grate your radishes. Throw your grated radish in the pot. Cut your celery in use. They are both like use. Throw your celery in the pots. Cut your leeks. Put your leeks in your pots with everything else. Cut up your parsley. Throw your parsley in your pots. Add a tablespoon of spice fusion to add flavor. So much. 2 bay leaves. If they big. If you have small ones, 4. 2 tablespoons of white pepper. We go with 1.5. Add this amount. How much is that? I don't know. 1.5 liters of boiling water. You throw it in your pots. Add a tablespoon of oil. So, mother cut corn. So now the soup is evolving. If you like watch Pokemon. It's so childish, oh my gosh. So now we're gonna put it on the stove. Hi, welcome to Nene's News. And on today's news is we have had a very productive weekend. We went to go get chilies and stuff, and we've been making chilies. So if you want to order this, we have stock for you all. With the eggshells behind us, we are using it as compost for the chilies that we are growing in the garden yard, whatever you want to call it. In the last 2 to 3 weeks, we had our first interview for Nene's Kitchen. Our interview was at Suma HD radio station. That was the first experience for all of us being in a radio station. It was thrilling and exciting. Thank you for having us. Suma HD radio station. Another exciting thing, Nene's Kitchen is finally registered. Clock it. that gives us opportunities to grow and get more, what is it? To expand, to grow and get more opportunities. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. So we have 95% of our viewers are not subscribed. What are you doing? You'll see our content, Mara. You're not subscribing. If you guys could please subscribe, and shout out to those 2 new subscribers. Thank you, people. Just know that my mother will be kind of continuing this channel or this series that we are in. So stay tuned. And if you guys could please comment down other dishes that you guys would like to see us make in the series and taste. Oh, and taste in the series. Yes. Stay tuned for more winter desserts, as my mother will be coming back with a new banger, new warm winter desserts. Well, that's all from us today. Now we're moving on to our rotis. My dad will be taking over this section. Thank you. Welcome to our roti section. I will be your host for this section. 3 cups of flour, two salts. My mother recommended we add some baking powder for George. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 200 grams of butter. It must be room temperature. Our soup is cooking in the background there. You can hear it. Yes. And you must mix it very thoroughly into the. It must be crumbled with the flour. We can see he's enjoying it. It brings back childhood times playing outside. We are loving it. Feeling the sand through the fingers. The reason we added 200 grams of butter is because we want to increase the oil for the grilling. The bro is adding in hot water. We see he's very brave. We add the hot or the boiling water is because it like cooks and makes the dough soft faster. So now he's mixing it. Mix it thoroughly, guys. So now we are kneading it. I mean, we've thrown flour on our table or on our top, and now we're mixing the dough with it. The reason for that is so that the dough doesn't stick to your table. Just a lesson I learned today. Guys, doesn't this look like playing with Play-Doh? We've cut a piece of butter or 2 pieces of butter. We're gonna melt it in the microwave. Oh, we're gonna add some and a bit of oil. I think that should be what, a teaspoon and a half. This is homemade ghee. We're gonna put it in for 30 minutes. Seconds. My bad, y'all. I'm bad with time. Even though I do pure maths. Our microwave needs to be upgraded. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, bruv. Yes. And now we are back to our dough. We are rolling it out. Now we're adding some of the homemade ghee on the inside or on the top. We are smearing it. Smear it like it's you making a pizza and you're putting some tomato sauce. Smear it thoroughly on all the corners. English is not Englishing today. And now we are rolling it. We are rolling it into making like cinnamon buns when you're gonna cut it. Oh, stay tuned for that video. How much rotis do you think is gonna come out of this though? Say in the comments. My guesses is, I don't know, 20. Reasons for that is because my father likes making very little and there's never enough for seconds. So fingers crossed. Putting on George. So George is heating up while not George from the jungle, but George the grill. We are tearing it a bit, but that's okay. Here's the update on the soup. We can see that it looks more bland, but we're gonna add some more soups and things to make it look delicious. And we are done. Yes. Voila. We are testing out the things. I'm sorry. I'm very slow, guys. This is like we're making toast. Yeah. That's on my other side. Not done. Yeah. Let us see if it works out. Let's see how it looks. The grand reveal. I think I should flip it. And you see, I told you it's a good butter. Alright, we're gonna cook the other side now because this is pressing on this. Be right back. So we just removed the soup from the stove to add these. We got rich oxtail soup and we're gonna use 1 or 2 beef cubes, and then we have some, what are they called, cobs, rights, or stems, whatever you want to call them, from the corn that's in the soup already. Yes. I don't know how much I'm throwing in. Are you crazy? Yeah. My measurements were correct. Add your beef cubes. Or you could add stock, depending on what you have. Okay, so the rotis have not worked, but we can see that it turned into flat bread and it is a bit toasted or very brown. But look at that. It's hot still. But now we're gonna pivot and we're gonna try something new. Stay tuned. I tasted both of these. The one with butter, which is my one, tastes way better than the one with no butter. Okay, so we cut this one in half. We're gonna test out the cheese. Like I said, we're pivoting. So this one I'm gonna put on the whole. Like it's basically making cinnamon rolls. And then this one, which is gonna put in the middle to see how if this one's better. I think the one with the hole. And then we grated it on the small side. And another thing, if you have like mozzarella, then you get the cheese ball. Unfortunately, it's not us today. I think the full one would be better.
Yeah, let's just make the whole thing full. Yeah, more cheese. Now you're gonna a brush would be more ideal for the step. How is the grill on? Brush it, ensure that everything is coated. Now I'm still gonna do the other side.
It's hot.
It's okay. And flip. And then we put on the other side. And now we wait and see how this turns out.
Hi guys, this is Berenice from the future. As you can see, we lost our audio. So as you can see, I opened George and the cheese rolls we made came out amazing. There's it. The soup came out amazing, and the cheese rolls we made out of the rotis was amazing. Another thing is the cheese rolls can be as a snack for watching movies. Yeah, we did end up making 20, but there was not enough left over. But the soup and the cheese rolls was an amazing combo. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And so that's all from us.